Hi, my name is Alexandra Sokolenko, and I am founder of Dispatch Training Center. Many of you already following us on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You know us as a powerhouse in the education. We're here to change trucking for the better. If you are looking to become a pro dispatcher, you can sign up for our training and get the real practical skills. If you're looking to improve your safety and compliance, you can sign up for our safety and compliance training and make sure that your company is surviving. If you are the owner who is thinking of opening trucking company, I would recommend for you to sign up for our webinar and hopefully become a successful owner of transportation mega carrier in the future. Find us on YouTube, find us on Instagram, and register on our site, learndispatchtoday.com. And we are here to help you with education, with a strong foundation. And together, we can change trucking for the better.